Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's sneak peek, we are going to cover the upcoming episode and what it's going to entail. So let's go ahead and take a look at it quickly. I'm going to go ahead and start placing my board pieces. As soon as we place the board pieces, you will notice that there is cinemachine involved, and of course, the AI has already placed its pieces onto the board, and we have the visuals over there for debugging. And now we have the actual gameplay. So it's the player's turn, and the camera has been moved, transitioned into location where the player can go ahead and select a particular point onto the enemy's board. And if there is a miss, then it's going to be showcased as a cyan color. Similarly, the AI, right after we made our selection, made its selection, and both of us had a mid. So let's go ahead and do a second one, a third one. All right, so here you notice that this has turned into red, and this indicates that we actually have a hit. So since we have a hit, it's going to be still our turn. So we can go ahead and have another hit until we have a miss. And this will keep on going back and forth until somebody has won the game. So let's go ahead and play the whole thing. All right, so as you can see, we have got lucky, and this time we actually won the game. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. The next episode, we are going to cover all of the game mechanics that we need to incorporate into our code base to make this happen. All right, talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Bye.